Oh, I just love potato chips. Look at them. Yummy! Many of you don't know that the potato chips we eat today happen due to a lots of cuts. Like this. So today, I'll tell you about the invention of our favorite potato chips. Zoom in! So, the story of this amazing invention was super crunchy and munchy. There was once a chef named George Crumb who worked in a resort in Saratoga Springs, New York. He was a pretty good chef, and trust me when I say that.
Thank you, Dr. B.
It was one of those usual days for Chef Crumb in his kitchen, making the best dish his resort was known for, the French fries, while he was making the...
But you haven't talked about me!
Oh, yes, but don't worry, I'll definitely talk about you at some time.
Okay. La, 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 la.
Mr. Fry, you have to go so that I can complete the story.
Oh, sorry.
So, where was I?
You were talking about me making fries.
Oh, yes. So, George Crumb was making fries for a customer, and when those fries reached the customer's table, he didn't quite like it. He said that the fries were too thick. Poor Chef Crumb took those fries, cut them thinner, and served them again. But no, the customer didn't like it again. This made Crumb angry. He cut the fries paper thin and let them fry in oil till they turned crisp and brown. And then he added lots of salt to teach the customer a lesson. And when he served that to the customer, he loved it. This gave birth to the potato chips. They were known as the Saratoga chips. Soon people started making and selling potato chips, and they spread all over the world, right into your hands.
Now will you talk about me?
Oh yes, now is the time. Even though they are called French fries, they are not French. According to some stories, the origin of French fries goes back to the villages of Belgium, where people used to fry small fishes they caught from the rivers. But during winters, the rivers would freeze, making it almost impossible for them to catch any more fish. So, they turned to the potatoes. They would slice and fry potatoes just like how they fried fish. And that's how French fries came into being. So, happy now?
Very.
Trivia time! A packet of potato chips has more air than the chips because it is filled with nitrogen to keep the chips fresh and prevent them from breaking. A Californian woman named Laura Scudder was known as the potato chip queen because she was the first one to come up with the idea of putting potato chips in packets. While you're munching and crunching and watching this video, tell me, who invented the potato chips? My chips are way